The Langit Duyong Marina Resort is 10 km from Kuala Terengganu city center. The word Langit is a Malay word which means sky, while Duyong means mermaid. Legend has it that two mermaids were seen at this island. The resort has over 90 bedrooms in a two-story raised bungalow with a traditional wooden architecture sprawling on a few acres of land, which is beautifully maintained landscape. The room and toilet is a bit dated and needs an uplift. Even the shutter were not working. A golf buggy is used to transport guests to and from the bedroom and the main building. The entire resort complex is a no parking zone. The Langit Duyong Marina Resort has undergone a management change recently, and it is currently under renovation. You can definitely see a price increase and better management and facilities once it is completed. The island located in Kuala Terengganu is a river island situated at the estuary of the Terengganu River. In the past, this island was divided into Pulau Duyong Besar and Pulau Duyong Kecil. The area of the island is now 2.7 square kilometers. The old town Duyong Island is dated as far back as 1802. It has a significant landmark, the Duyong Old Fort, which is dated in 1919, with Corinthian, Egyptian, Islamic and traditional Malay architecture surrounded by high brick walls. The island offers a breathtaking view of Kuala Terengganu city. Although it is 10 km away and takes 30 minutes journey to downtown Kuala Terengganu, it is worth the stay. The island is also a traditional fishing village. The main attraction of this island is the traditional Terengganu boat making industry. In addition, the island is home to a skilled boat building community. The boats made here are known for their intricate design, high precision, and unique artistry.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that I can continue making more video contents like this.